Hello friends, I am Prashant Kumar. Welcome to the today's The Hindu vocabulary session. Friends, before starting the session, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to our channel Vocab with Prashant and press bell button so that you continue to get further videos notifications. So friends, let's start the today's session. Today's first word is dant. It is verb in parts of speech. Its meaning is have an adverse effect on. Its synonyms are diminish, reduce, lessen, and weaken. And its antonyms are increase and boost. Second word, friends, mitigation. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is the action of reducing the severity, seriousness, or painfulness of something. Its synonyms are alleviation, reduction, lessening, and diminution. And its antonyms are intensification and increase. Next word is hubris. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is excessive pride or self-confidence. Its synonyms are arrogance, vanity, hauteur, and pomposity. And its antonyms are modesty, decency, simplicity, and meekness. Fourth word is belie. It is verb in parts of speech. Its meaning is of an appearance fail to give a true impression of something. Its synonyms are contradict, be at odds with, and call into question. And its antonyms are confirm, agree, and support. Fifth word is onerous. It is adjective in parts of speech. Its meaning is needing great effort. Its synonyms are difficult, taxing, arduous, hard, and heavy. And its antonyms are easy, effortless, painless, facile, and simple. Next word is impetus. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is something that makes a process or activity happen or happen more quickly. Its synonyms are incitement, stimulus, encouragement, and boost. And its antonyms are hindrance and discouragement. Seventh word, friends, maneuver. It is noun in parts of speech. Its meaning is a movement performed with care and skill. Its synonyms are operation, exercise, and movement. Next word, friends, starkly. It is adverb in parts of speech. Its meaning is in a way that is easy to see because it is very different. Its synonyms are clearly, plainly, and bluntly. And its antonyms are dubiously, vaguely, and indistinctly. Next word, friends, ostensibly. It is adverb in parts of speech. Its meaning is as appears or is stated to be true, though that necessary so. Its synonyms are seemingly, apparently, supposedly, outwardly, and professedly. And its antonyms are truly, genuinely, really, and actually. Today's last word is resort. It is verb in parts of speech. Its meaning is turn to and adopt a course of action, especially an extreme or undesirable one, so as to resolve a difficult situation. Its synonyms are turn to, imply, and fall back. And its antonyms are avoid and halt. So friends, this was today's The Hindu vocabulary session, which can prove to be important for any of your competitive exams. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to our channel Vocab with Prashant, like it and share it with your friends. See you guys in the next session. Jai Hind.